Ever dreamed of controlling your house with just your voice or phone? Imagine saying lights on and your room glows instantly, or good night and all the lights turn off, doors lock, and the AC adjusts by itself. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But it's real. You can do it today with artificial intelligence. Let us go step by step and see how AI can turn your ordinary home into a smart, fully automated one. Step 1. Plan your smart home. Before starting, you need a clear plan. Think about what you want to control. Lights, fans, doors, cameras, temperature, or even your coffee machine. Start small and simple. You can begin with 1 or 2 rooms and expand later. Planning helps you know what devices you need and how they'll connect. Remember, every smart home begins with a smart plan. Step 2. Choose your smart hub or AI assistant. Now, pick the brain of your smart home, your hub. You can choose from options like Google Home, Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, or Home Assistant. This is the system that connects all your smart devices and listens to your commands. If you want simplicity, go with Alexa or Google. If you want more privacy and control, Home Assistant is the best. Once your hub is ready, your home gets its digital brain. Step 3. Pick the right smart devices. Time to add gadgets that make your home come alive. Start with smart bulbs, plugs, locks, and sensors. Smart bulbs let you control brightness and color. Smart plugs can turn any normal appliance into a smart one. Smart locks make your home safer, and sensors help automate everything. Always check if your devices are compatible with your hub before buying. Step 4. Secure your Wi-Fi network. Security is the foundation of every smart home. Before connecting anything, make sure your Wi-Fi is protected. Change default passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your router software updated. It's even better to create a separate network just for smart devices. A safe connection keeps your data private and your home protected. Step 5. Connect and set up your devices. Now it's time to bring everything together. Connect each device to your chosen AI hub or app. Give each a simple name like bedroom light or main door lock. This makes controlling your home easy and organized. After setup, test each device to make sure it's responding properly. Within minutes, your phone becomes your home's control center. Step 6. Create smart automations. Once everything is connected, let AI handle your routine. You can set your lights to turn on at sunset, your AC to start before you get home, or your doors to lock automatically when you leave. These automations save time, energy, and effort. It's like your home understands you, doing things before you even ask. Step 7. Add voice control. Now make it fun. Add voice commands to control everything hands-free. Say, "Hey Google, good morning," and watch your lights turn on, music play, and curtains open. Voice control makes your home feel alive. It listens, responds, and adapts to your lifestyle. Once you try it, you'll never want to go back to switches again. Step 8. Let AI learn your routine. This is where the real magic begins. AI studies your habits and adjusts automatically. It learns when you wake up, when you leave for work, and when you go to bed. Over time, it starts controlling things on its own, dimming lights at night, turning off unused devices, and keeping your home energy efficient without you lifting a finger. Step 9. Keep updating and improving. A smart home isn't something you set once and forget. Keep checking your system, updating apps, and fine-tuning automations. Add new devices as your needs grow, maybe smart curtains, motion sensors, or security cameras. Updates keep your system smooth, fast, and secure. The more you use it, the smarter it becomes. Step 10. Enjoy and expand your AI home. Now, sit back and enjoy your new lifestyle. Your home is no longer just a space. It's an intelligent system that listens, learns, and works for you. Add new features over time like voice-based reminders, automatic energy saving, or full security monitoring. The best part? You're in full control. From lights and locks to music and mood, everything follows your command. That's the true power of an AI-controlled home. Simple, smart, and designed to make life easier. Conclusion. An AI-powered home isn't just about technology, it's about comfort, safety, and freedom. It learns your habits, saves your time, and helps you live smarter every day. Whether you're waking up, leaving for work, or relaxing at night, AI takes care of the details in the background. Start small, protect your setup, and grow step by step. Soon you'll have a home that not only listens to your voice, but understands your lifestyle, turning every ordinary moment into something truly intelligent.